Be blessed by the divine. Be blessed by the divine. Be blessed by the divine. Good morning, everybody. Am I audible, sir? Clearly?
Clear, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. Thank you. Today, as Kumarasan sir said, that we will discuss about the topic of 5 duties in this lecture. Actually, Maharishi has covered this as a part of the social welfare. There's 5 duties. So, in today's lecture, what we will do is we will be having this. We will be covering in the following. First, we will try to understand what is duty in the literal explanation, and then what is in the dictionary, and then we will go through some of the quotes given by the various scholars for the duty, and then we will go through what is duty as defined by Maharishi, because always Maharishi has a very simple way but very clear way of explaining things to us. So we will go through that also, and then we will go through the what are the 5 duties and some of the few poems of Maharishi about duty. Okay. So first, let us, if I go through the dictionary, Merriam-Webster's or like this. So what they say is duty is something that you have to do because it is part of your job or something that you feel is the right thing to do. So this is one way of explaining duty in one of the dictionaries. And the second explanation is it is an obligatory task, which is not a choice. It is a conduct, service, or function that arises from one's position. So the dictionary says that because of your position, we have to deliver something, and that is called duty. In a way, it is right also. So let us go through some of the quotes just to get a flavor of what is duty given by some of the great people. Like, for example, Buddha, he talks about physical. So to keep the body in good health is a duty, because otherwise we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. So strong mind in a strong body. So Buddha says that we have to keep our body healthy, and which is an important duty. Okay. And then the second one is the another great guy, Peter Drucker. He says that never mind your happiness, do your duty. So we have to deliver, we have to discharge our duty, unmindful of whether we are getting happiness or what, as per him. And then what our father of the nation, Gandhiji, says, he who is ever brooding over result often loses nerve in the performance of his duty. So it is like a karam karo phal ki chinta mat karo. So kind of thing. So whenever we do our duty, we should not look for the result. So once you see the result or once you think of the result, then doing duty is not going to be fun or it is not going to be correct. So as per Gandhiji. And then so if you go to some other scholars like Tolstoy, so try to implement duty and you will immediately know your value. So he says that our own value we will understand once we start doing our duties properly. Okay. And then our former president, nuclear scientist, Dr. Abdul Kalam says, if you salute your duty, you know there is no need to salute anybody. Okay. So if you pollute your duty, you have to salute everybody. So in a way, it is very apt for the current situation where many of the things are happening around that. So we have to do our duty, or we have to give importance to our duty, so that we don't have to pacify or try to go through anybody for any favors. Okay. And then another great guy is George Washington. So happiness and moral duty are inseparably connected. So here, if you do our duty, happiness is a byproduct, or it will come on its own. And see, one of the actually, Tiruvallur is a Tamil poet 2000 years back. He has this couplet, 1330, and many of the couplets are, means all couplets are very apt for the current life. So what he has written about this is, ஒத்ததரவான் உயிர் வாழ்வான் மற்றையான் செத்தாருள் வைக்கப்படும். So in these two lines, what he is telling is, who is having wealth, who can support others or who can help others are the people who are living. If someone is not discharging that kind of duty, like helping others or others, even if they are alive, they are considered as dead, as per this scholar, great poet. Okay. So what he says is, if you don't discharge your duty anybody. Even though if we are alive, we are considered to be dead only. So there is no point of living this life as per him. So these are some of the explanations about other scholars, what they have talked about duty. So now let us go to what Maharishi has told about this. Like we have mentioned here, what Maharishi says is duty is nothing but due to the society. So this is what Maharishi says about duty. So duty is nothing but whatever we owe to the society, we have to give it back. So, and he has got a very clear explanation about this due to society. Why duty is defined as due to society? Just if you consider ourselves, we need lot of things in our day-to-day life, right from food, clothing, whatever we use. We need lot of things, and from our childhood till now, we have developed this, or we have increased the needs multifold, and we know exactly what we are talking about. So we need lot of things in our life, and unfortunately we cannot produce everything what we want. So what is happening is, these all the things we are using now currently is a product of the effort of the society. So if we don't have this being produced by somebody and it is available to us, we will not be able to enjoy anything. So what Maharishi says is, we are indebted to the community because of this only. So if others don't produce, or if others don't cooperate and give us what we want, we will not be able to enjoy anything in life. So this is the duty has come from the word called due to the society. So we owe back to the society. And Maharishi has got one more very clear thing. What he says is, if the individual or the enrich or the well-being of an individual is depending upon the well-being of the society. Imagine if the place where we live, or if the country or the town or the city is not prosperous, the individuals who are living there cannot be prosperous. We all know that. So what Maharishi says is that if the individual has to be happy or enriched, the community has to be happy, or it should be in the enriched position. So then only this is possible. And if the society has to be like that, what he says is, the individual, because society is nothing but the group of individuals. Okay, so the individuals, as individuals, we also have to discharge the duty without any defect or without any shortfall. So if all of us discharge our duties as per giving the due back to the society, then what will happen is, we will have a better society. So here the key is, if someone is not able to discharge back his duty, like in the form of giving, because if they are not well to do, there is no need for giving back as a wealth. We can give back as any other thing, like physical. Even like Maharishi says that, just to keep blessing, like as soon as we get up every day, what we say is, we have to say Varga Vayagam, Varga Valamda, be blessed by the divine. So we have to just imagine about the whole world, and we have to bring the whole world in our mental picture and bless them. So this blessing is also a kind of duty which we are paying back to the society. So if you do that, then definitely we will be adding value, and the society where we live will become very, very enriched and very good actually. So if you consider the people, the age group of people, from the time we are born up to the age of say 20 or 25, where we are on our own, like we can start earning and support others, we are depending on the society only. For example, parents, teachers, school, everywhere. So we are depending on many people. And in the same way, once you grow older, after 60, 65, we are depending on others for support. So in this intermittent stage of this 20 or 20 to 60 is the right age for us to give it back to the society in whatever way we want. Okay. So see, what it does is, if you have this kind of dutifulness, what we have is, our consciousness also will get improved, and then we can do a very great service to the society. This is what Maharishi is telling. So like he says, innumerable commodities are essential. So we have to, it is made up of, it is are made through the human efforts only. So what Maharishi next says is, he talks about 5 duties. So he has a very clear explanation of this also. We will see also in the end. So we have 5 duties. First is duty to self, and then duty to the family, and then duty to the relatives and friends, and then duty to the country or society where we live, and the final one is the duty for the world. Okay. So what Maharishi says is, we have to discharge the duty to all, but in a way that it shall not affect others. For example, if I try to not take care of myself or family or anybody, and if I say that the world is very important, or I have to attain, or the world peace has to come, or the world has to be good, and if I neglect all my duties, and if I do the duty for the world, then I will suffer, my family will suffer. So what he says is, we have to discharge our duty without contradicting each other. So this is his word. So what it is very clear that the individuals are very much important in the scheme of things, because Maharishi's aim is to bring world peace. So the world peace cannot be achieved without individual peace. So the major component of this world peace is the individuals. So what Maharishi says is, he attaches the great importance for individuals. So the individuals, what happens if we are not healthy, or if we are not able to give it back to the society in the prime age of say 20 to 60, we will be taking back again from the society, and which is not good. So like Maharishi explains through this triangle. So what is life? The triangle, this is made up of individual, society and nature. So as we know in the Vedatrian principle, this triangle is very important. So the individual and society are interconnected, and the individual and nature are interconnected, and the society and nature. So we are all these 3 components are interconnected or intertwined in such a way that there is no way to separate, or we cannot separate each other. So what Maharishi says in this, because Maharishi has written around 2000 poems, and it is actually written in, or it is released in 2 volumes in Tamil, and some of the main poems there are translated, and we are using it in our English books, maybe in the BSc, MSc, Vision and all those courses. And here what he is saying is, we can see the unity of the world in every morsel of food we are taking. So what he says is, see the integral world through the food, repay the world through your work. So what he says is, every morsel of food. So whenever we take the food every day, we have to think about the effort, or the efforts behind bringing that food to on our plate. Even though we can tell that, okay, I have money, I paid for the food. Okay, if I have money, I cannot eat money, or no one can eat money. So we need food. So somebody has to grow, somebody has to, we should have a very good logistics system. It has to come back to the place, it has to come cross the ocean and come to the place where we live, for example in Qatar. So after going, see, whenever we eat, for example, if we think about this, then we will be able to pay back our dues to the society. And this is the very important concept in Maharishi's thing, where the individual have to realize about the importance of duty. So what he says is, another thing is, the individual, we should have fulfillment in 3 things. For example, physical health, mental health and economic stability, in order to discharge the duty as explained by our Guru. So why it is important? First, let us take the physical health. If we are not healthy, we will not be able to do anything. Or if someone is not healthy, he will have to, or he or she will have to depend upon somebody else for support. So in that case, the duty to be discharged will not be possible. So individual health, or this physical health, is much more important. And the second one is mental health. So like Buddha also said, sound mind in a sound body. So once our health is taken care, like through the, for example, whatever Maharishi has taught, the simplified physical exercises, and also through Kaya Kalpa to enrich our life force. So once we have this, then the next stage of mental health it can be easily taken care. So if whenever we do or all the practices given by Maharishi for mental health, like the meditations, introspection, and all, it will help us to make our to grow, to make our mental health very strong, and it will be required for individuals. And the last one is economic stability. So the economic stability, why it is important? Economic stability is important because we need materials. So we can, and nobody is saint, or there is no saint which who don't need any money or any material to live. So we all need materials to live a life in this world. So what we have to do is we have to get all the materials in a ethical way. Okay. So what Maharishi says this is we have to be following this ethical way, and we have to have this material enrichment. So what he says is, see, if I want money, or if I have to become wealthy, it doesn't mean that we can get money by any means. So we should not go to the truth. So it has to be in an ethical way. So if we do not have the proper wealth to enjoy or to lead a normal life, then we will not be able to help anybody, because always if someone is not wealthy, if he is not having a job, or not able to eat food at least once a day, then he or she will not be able to think about discharging duty or helping others, because my own need is not taken care. So what Maharishi says is, this is very important. So taking care of individual is not like this is not what do you call it? It is not selfishness. So taking care of individual is not selfishness. First, we have to understand this, and this is a very important concept given by Maharishi with a very clear explanation of why individual life is very important. So next is family. So what family, as per Maharishi, very clear. Family is nothing but wife, the spouse and children, plus parents, both the parents of the spouses. So here also there is a Tirukkural which says that, which is given, family life is the best protection to help one's parents, spouse, and children. So what he says is, as a head of the family, we have to take care of all the three, which is spouse, which is family, and then parents also. So this is another important thing. So if I take care of myself, I will be able to take care of my family in a better way. So okay, then next is relatives. So relatives, for example, like the close relatives, what we call blood relatives, or our own sisters and siblings, sorry, the brothers and sisters. So we cannot live in isolation. So we have to have, for example, our family, like brothers, sisters, and other relatives. So, for example, these brothers and sisters are directly linked with our life force, because as we know that we are nothing but a product of the life force of the parents, and our siblings are also the same product. What Maharishi says is, only the difference is the time. So whatever imprints we have, they also, we share the same genetic centers, but the quality may vary depending upon the quality of the genetic center at the time of our birth. So we have to take care of our siblings or the family, the close relatives. For example, if our siblings are not well, or if they are not doing well, either health or wealth, we will not be able to live a peaceful life wherever we are living. Even though we are living, unlike olden days, we are living in a nuclear family now because of the current condition. But still, our genetic centers are connected, and if they are not well-to-do, healthy, or wealth, we will not be able to live a peaceful life. So what Maharishi says is, we have to discharge the duty to the relatives also, but bearing in mind that it shall not contradict the order. First is individual, next is family, and then only is the relative. So this order has to be maintained without fail, because if we are not maintaining, then it will be contradictory and we will not be able to discharge the duty. So this is the one for the relatives. And then next, country or society, whatever we call. Okay. So like we discussed before, society only provides us with everything. So we have to give it back to the society. For example, like in the payment of taxes. Okay, so this is a very, very important duty as a citizen of wherever, whichever country we are. We have to give it back to the taxes as per the law of the land. So, and then another thing is observing the rules of the society. For example, if someone is not following the rule and doing all kind of unlawful things, so it is not going to be helpful for the society. So, if the individuals are not discharging the duty, also the society will be impoverished. If someone takes care of all the things by himself or herself, so the payment of taxes and other things are very important duty as an individual for the society, for the country where we live. And then okay, so then as Maharishi says that when every individual pays their due to the society, it flourishes, because that is why when he starts explaining itself, it is very clear that the society gives us everything, and if we give it back, if we give our self back to the society, we are going to get the benefit or reap the benefit out of the same society. So it is like helping ourselves. So helping the society is self helping ourselves only, because we are getting everything back from the society only. And then what happens if we don't do this? For example, the society goes into decline. So suppose if some individuals, they start thinking and they start accumulating the wealth. For example, some of the information which is coming out is not very good. So the 1% of the world population enjoys like 70-80% of the wealth of the whole world, probably in all the countries. I'm not clear about which country, but a very, very minuscule percentage of the population holds the majority wealth in this world. So there is a very, very great imbalance. So what happens is, due to that imbalance, the society goes into the decline. So due to this, there are a lot of problems and miseries. So this has to be avoided, and this can be avoided if each and every one of us understand our duty and pay back to the society as we get it from them. Okay. So, and then here also another thing is, this is actually as Kumaresan sir explained in one of the classes about the 14th principle, the world without border, like whatever Maharishi says is, so people of all countries should cooperate and share. So like for example, the land, see, I say that I own 10 acres of land. Did I create the land? No, the land is not mine. Okay, so the land is nature. So what Maharishi says is, we have to share this. So this is the very important thing. And like for example, in our ancient Indian culture, like Vasudeva Kudumbakam, so we are all brothers and sisters. Okay, so like great sage Kaniyan Pungunanar says in Tamil also. So the world is one, and we are all brothers and sisters. So we have to help each other and discharge our duty so that the world becomes a better place to live. This is the explanation for the world. Okay, and almost we have come to the end here. Okay, so what Maharishi says is in this couple of poems in this Gnana Kalanjiyam, I'll just read in Tamil and try to explain as much as in English possible. So கடமையை உணர்ந்திடு, காலத்தில் செய்திடு, உடம்புக்கும் நல்லது, உள்ளமும் அமைதியாம். So here what he says is, we have to understand our duties, and then inspire, not only understanding, we have to discharge our duties on time. So it should be discharged on time. Once you do both of these, if I understand the duty and if I discharge on time, it is good for our physical health. So udambukkum nalladhu means it is good for our physical health, and it will give ullamum amaidiyam. So it will give us mental peace also. So it will give a peace of mind. So discharging duty is very important for an individual, because it gives a better physical health, and also it is helping us to have a peace of mind also. So this is one of the thing. And then the second one is udal kudumbam sutram ஊரார் உழவோர் காற்றும் கடமை முறையே முக்கியம் கெடாமலும் பார் ஒன்றினால் மற்ற. So this is what we discussed in the beginning. So what he says is self, family, relatives, society or country, and then world. So whatever the duties to be discharged to all these are important. but as per the order. So the order is important, the duty is important, but more than the duty, the order is important. And he says one more thing, Kedamalum par ondinal mattrundu. What he says is, one should not affect the other, and we should not contradict these things. So if you look at this, these things were written by Maharishi maybe 60 years back, 50 years back. So how he was thinking about this on even long back, and which is very, very relevant, or which is very much required for the current world. So now what is happening is people are getting individualistic. So everybody wants everything. So in this kind of dog eating dog world, what is happening is without understanding, or just by for seeing others, or just by hearing others, what happens is people tend to follow the same thing, like okay, everything is mine, I want everything, I don't have to, okay, there is government to do everything for the people, why should I do? So this kind of attitude is creeping in, because everybody wants everything now due to the current world condition. So what is happening is, due to this kind of very, very distressed situation, people are not discharging duties back to the society. For example, people are not taking care of their own family, or children, or parents, or siblings. So this is not leading to a good society. So there is a lot of animosity. There are a lot of issues running in the society. So let us follow what Maharishi has told, that we will give the dues back to the society without contradicting each other, as explained by Maharishi, like in the order. We will maintain the order of self, family, relatives, country or society, and the world. And let us pray and hope that we will be following these things, and we will be discharging our duties as a good and sincere citizens for this mankind. And let us do this to the place wherever we are living in currently, in whichever part of the world, to whatever possible extent, and lead a great life, and let us pray for the world peace. And I will conclude this lecture, and thank you very much for this opportunity, sir. Thank you.
May the whole world enjoy prosperity, happiness, and peace. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, happiness, and peace. Be blessed by the divine.
Duties.
Good morning
Sir,
to
Muthu sir,
every
go
one of
ahead.
you. May the whole world enjoy prosperity, happiness, and peace. May the whole world enjoy
five duties,
happiness, and peace. Be blessed by the
starting
divine.
from other people.
Good morning to
definitions
every one of
about
you. Duties and what Maharishi has said. We had a good lecture about
it is all
5 duties
clear,
and
but still we have some more
starting
time.
from
Maybe
maybe we can continue some more discussion about
duties
and what Maharishi has said. And
Maharishi has written a poem.
all clear. Actually, he has mentioned about duty in many poems. Maybe we can
just
continue
one or
some
two or
more
three
discussion about
poems.
in many poems, he has Maharishi has written a
explained
poem, something about duties. Actually, he has mentioned
one
about
of the
duty
poem,
in many poems. It
says
says
like
like one
this.
or two or three poems. In many poems,
Those
he
who
has
feels God
will go after God.
explained
Something about duties.
கடவுளை
One of the
உணர்ந்தோர்
poem
says like
கடவுளை
this.
உணர்ந்தோர் கடவுளை நாடுவர்.
Those
who
feels God
will go after God. கடவுளை
Those who
உணர்ந்தோர்
understands God
கடவுளை
will live with
உணர்ந்தோர்
duties.
கடவுளை நாடுவர்.
கடவுளை
அறிந்தோர்
those who
கடமையில்
feels
வாழ்வர்.
God
will go
so
after
those
God.
who feels God
will go after God.
those who
understands
God
whoever will
they
live
know
with duties.
about the presence of God,
கடவுளை
or they
அறிந்தோர்
know that they are
கடமையில்
sure that God
வாழ்வர்.
is there, then they
So
will look
those
for God.
who
They will
feels
go
God
after
will go after God.
they
looking
means
for
it
God
means
or having relationship
whoever
with
they
God,
know
or they will
about
search for
the
God,
presence of God, or they
maybe
know that they are sure that God is
places,
there,
or
then they will look for God.
even maybe
They will go after
lectures like this to know about God,
looking for God,
or having relationship
so they will
with
go
God,
after God,
or they will
until
search
they are
for
fulfilled.
God.
The second line says, if
Maybe
somebody
worshipping
who
places,
can
or
understand about
even
God,
maybe
he
lectures
will not
like
go
this
after God,
to know about
he will
God.
live with the duties. That means
So
they will go after
here,
God
until they are
duty
fulfilled.
is
The
nothing
second
but
line says,
if somebody who can
serving the
understand
God,
about God,
he will
simple,
not go after God
language.
He will live with the
So
duties.
if I
That
know what
means
is
what
God,
he
who
says
is
here,
God, and what is my
duty
relationship
is
with
nothing
God,
but
that means I will
finally
finally
conclude that
serving the
doing
God
my duty is the only
in a
way
simple
wherein
language.
I can become
So
one with
if
the
I
God.
know what is
So
God,
what
who
God
is
is
God, and
supposed to
what is
do,
my
we are
relationship
trying
with
to
God,
take that
that
part
means
as
I
much as
will
possible.
finally conclude
that
that
is what the second
doing
line
my
deeper
duty is
meaning
the only way.
What God will do in
wherein
this situation,
I can
I have to
become
do
one
it.
with the God.
I am asking
So
my
what
wife for
God
a
is
coffee, and
supposed to
coffee
do,
has not
we
come for
are
half an
trying
hour,
to
and
take
she
that
doesn't seem
part
to even
as
go
much
into
as
the kitchen
possible.
room to prepare coffee. That is what the
Half
second
an hour
line
is gone.
deeper.
But I feel
meaning
like
is,
having a
what
coffee.
God will do in this
But
situation,
doesn't
I have
even
to do
having
it.
a symptom
I
of
am asking my wife
getting
for
a
a coffee, and
there.
coffee has not
Now
come
what
for
God
half an
will do
hour,
in
and
this
she
place,
doesn't seem to
that
even
is the
go
duty.
into the kitchen room
If
to
I can
prepare
do
coffee.
as if what God
Half
says,
an hour is gone.
we all know
But I
what
feel
God
like
will do.
having a coffee.
We know
But
how
doesn't even
we
having a
worship
symptom
God.
of
We
getting a coffee
either
there.
we complain
Now
to
what
the
God
God
will do
or
in this
we,
place, that is the duty. If I can
ask
do
so
as
many
if what
things
God
from
says,
the God,
we all know
they never
what
reply.
God will do. God
We
doesn't
know
reply at
how
all. The only
we
language
worship
what
God.
He is silence, full
Either we
silence,
complain
dead
to
silence.
the God or
He never reacts to our emotions,
ask so
or
many
reacts
things
to,
from the God.
in stories
They
we
never
have
reply.
heard lot of stories
God
that
doesn't
yes,
reply at
somebody
all.
is praying
The
a
only
God,
language what
praying
he
the
is
God for
is
10
silence,
years, and
full
God
silence,
appeared
dead
and
silence.
asked for what you
He
want,
never
and then they granted
reacts
and
to
things
our
like that.
emotions
Right?
or reacts
So
to
in
this
this poem,
stories we have
Aristi
heard lot
says
of
we have
stories
to
that
live with
yes,
the
somebody
duty,
is praying
and
a God,
duty is the
praying the
most
God
important
for
thing.
10 years, and God
we have
appeared
to
and
perform
asked
in
for
our
what you
life.
want, and then they granted and things like that.
We have
Right?
to
So
check ourselves.
in this
We have
poem,
to
Aristi
introspect
says we have
ourselves.
to live with a duty.
Am I
and
doing my duty
is the most
correctly?
important thing.
How far I am
we have
doing
to
it perform in
perfectly.
our life? What mark I will put it for myself?
We have
Whether
to
I do my
check
duty,
ourselves. We have to introspect
correctly or
ourselves.
wrongly.
I might have
Am I
shared
doing
it,
my
but still
duty
it is worth
correctly?
remembering
How far
that.
I am doing it perfectly?
Whether I do my
What
duty
mark
to
I will put
myself
it
or
for
not.
myself? Whether I
How
do
I
my
know
duty
it, very simple.
correctly or wrongly. I might
In a
have
week,
shared it.
how many
but
times
still
I get
it is
upset?
worth, or per day how
remembering,
many times I
that.
get upset? Number one
Whether I
indication.
do my duty
If I
to
don't get
myself
upset
or
for
not.
anything, I think I am
How
taking
I
care of
know
my
it,
mental
very
health.
simple.
If I don't
In a
get
week,
any
how many times I
sickness
get
or
upset?
disease or
Per day,
pain
how many
or,
times I get upset?
Number one
some
indication.
issues related to
If
my
I don't
physical
get
body,
upset for anything,
I am
I
taking
think
care
I am
of my
taking care of
physical
my
body. The
mental
duty
health.
to my body is perfect.
If
Duty
I
to
don't
my
get
mind
any
is also perfect.
sickness or disease or
The
pain
duty to
or,
my soul is perfect or not.
some
The
issues
moment I
related
go to
my
bed within
physical
60
body,
seconds, if I can
I
go
am
to
taking
bed,
care
and
of
if
my
I don't
physical
have
body.
any
The
complaints
duty to
about
my
anything
body is
about anyone
perfect.
in
Duty
this
to
world,
my mind is
I
also
think I am
perfect.
performing my duty to my
The
soul also
duty to my
perfectly.
soul is perfect or
So,
not?
do
The
I
moment I go
duty,
to bed,
first
within
of all,
60
the duty,
seconds, if
5
I can
duties,
go to
he
bed,
said.
and if I
So the
don't have
first
any
duty
complaints
is,
about anything about anyone
the
in this
duty
world,
to self.
I think
Whether
I am
I do
performing
take
my
care of
duty to
myself.
my soul also
Myself
perfectly.
means my body, my
So,
mind, and my soul.
do I duty?
So
First of all,
my
the
body,
duty,
5 duties,
I
he
am taking
said.
care of
So the
my
first
body
duty
well or
is
not.
the duty
Health
to
is
self.
one issue.
Whether I do take care of
Moderation in
myself.
5.
Myself
Food,
means
work,
my body,
rest,
my mind,
sex,
and my
and
soul.
thought force.
So
am
my
I
body,
following
I'm
limit
taking care
and
of
method
my body well
in
or
these
not.
5? That's another
Health
way
is
to
one
find
issue.
out whether am I
Moderation
doing or
in
am I
5.
doing my
Food,
duty to
work,
myself
rest,
rightly
sex,
or wrongly,
and thought
or
force.
anything I
So
have to
am
improve
I
on.
following
So limit
simple
and
introspection?
method
It will
in these 5
help.
That's another way to
Now the
find out
duty
whether
to
am I
family.
doing or am I doing my duty
I think the
to
best
myself rightly
indicator
or wrongly,
or the best
anything I have
assessment
to improve on.
if I do
So
it myself,
simple
I
introspection,
may not get
it
the
will
best
help
result.
now the duty to
The best
family.
is, I ask my wife,
I think the best
as a husband,
indicator,
am I
the
doing
best
my
assessment
duty to you?
100%
If I do
or
it
not.
myself, I may not
How
get
much mark you will give me
best
out of 10
as a husband
result?
How the best is,
Well, I am
I ask my
performing
wife,
my duty
as a husband,
am I
to you.
doing
If
my
I ask
duty
my
to
wife,
you
and if my
100%
wife
or
asks
not?
me, can I put negative
How
mark?
much mark you will
Oh
give
my
me
God,
out of
then
10?
I'm
as a husband?
certainly
How
not at all
well
doing my
I am
duty as an
performing
husband.
my duty as a husband to
Irrespective
you.
of whether
If
she
I
is
ask my
asking
wife and
something
if my
rightly
wife
or
asks
wrongly,
me,
can
she
I
may
put
ask
negative
for a
mark?
necklace every day.
Oh
Doesn't
my
matter
God,
at all.
then I'm
Am I
certainly
doing
not
my
at all doing my
duty as
duty
an
as an
husband
husband,
to her or not? How far I
irrespective
am
of
doing it?
whether she is
How
asking
far I
something
should
rightly
improve
or
it?
wrongly.
In what
She
area
may
I
ask
have
for
to
a
improve
necklace
it?
every
If
day,
she says
doesn't
your
matter
mark
at all.
is 5 out of 10,
Am I
okay,
doing
so why
my
that remaining
duty
5?
as an husband
What is
to
it I
her
am
or
lacking
not?
it?
We have to
How
discuss
far
with
I am doing it?
our
How
life
far I
partner
should
to
improve
find
it?
out
In
what she
what
feels
area
which
I
is
have to improve it?
which
If
is
she
not
says your
performed
mark is 5 out
by
of
me.
10, as my
Okay.
duty to
So
her.
why that
Maybe I
remaining
am
five?
not respecting
What
her.
what is it I am
opinions.
lacking it?
We
On
have to
anything?
discuss with
If she says
our right partner to
sambar
find out
is
what
spicy,
she feels
what
which
is
is
spicy? There is no
which will
spicy at
not
all.
perform my
Maybe I may
duty by
reject it
me
immediately
as my
when she
duty to
says
her.
sambar is
Maybe
spicy.
I am not respecting
Or
her
sambar is so nice,
opinions
she may
on
say, and I
anything.
may say,
If she
sambar
says
looks like rasam and you are saying
sambar
nice.
is spicy,
What happened to your
not
tongue?
spicy. There is
You,
no
your
spicy
tongue
at
never
all.
worked
Maybe I
properly,
may
not
reject
only
it
in terms of
immediately when
tasting
she
it,
says
even in terms
sambar
of
is spicy.
speaking also.
Or sambar
Finished, I
is
am
so
out.
nice, she may
So,
say, and I may say,
Maharishi says,
sambar
I have
looks
to
like
rasam and you are saying
the
nice.
feelings
What
and
happened to your
opinions
tongue?
of partner.
Your tongue never worked
Am I doing
properly,
it? If
not
I do
only in
this,
terms of tasting it, even in
definitely,
terms of
most
speaking
of the
also.
problems will
Finished,
be
I am out.
solved between the
So,
partners.
Maharishi
So,
says, I have to
then I have to
respect
ask
the
my
feelings
son
and
as a
opinions
father,
of
am I
partner.
performing my duty to
Am I doing it?
my
If I
son
do
or
this,
not?
he has
Definitely,
to tell. Because his
most of the
expectation
problems
could
will
be
be
totally different
solved
than
between the
what I
partners.
expect.
So, then I have to ask my son,
Then my daughter,
as a father,
or what,
am I
whatever
performing my
kids we
duty
have,
to
and
my son or
periodically
not?
we have
He
to
has to
check
tell.
this. Maybe one
Because
year they
his
have given,
expectation
last
could
year
be
they might have
totally
given me
different
80
than
marks,
what I
and
expect.
this year might be 20
So,
marks.
because we
Then
people
my
we
daughter,
change.
or what,
Morning 8
whatever
o'clock
kids
we
we
say
have,
something, and
and
8:10 we can change
periodically
our
we have
stand
to
as
check
well.
this.
So
Maybe
then
one year they have
it
given,
is them
last
to
year they might have
judge
given me
whether
80
am I
marks,
doing my duty
and this
to
year
them
might be
as a
20
father
marks.
or not.
Because we
Then
people
as a
we
son,
change.
morning
How
8
I am
o'clock we
doing
say
my
something, and
duty to my
8:10 we
father.
can change our stand
What
as
my
well.
father
So
expects
then
and how far
it
he
is
is happy
them to
for
judge
having me as
whether am I doing my duty
his
to
son.
them as a father
And
or not.
just giving
Then
the
as a
money
son,
at their elder age
how I
to
am
take
doing
care
my
of them,
duty to
is
my
it allowed?
father? What my
Or
father expects and how
something
far
else
he is happy
needs to
for
be
having
done
me
as
as
son.
his
Very,
son.
very important.
Not
And
giving money alone
just
will not
giving the money at their
complete
elder age to
that
take
I have
care of
performed my
them, is
duty
it
as a
allowed?
son. Not at all.
Or of course
Something
we are
else
all away from
needs
our
to be
parents.
done
It
as
is
a
very
son.
difficult to be with them.
Very, very
but
important.
Still we can
Not
try
giving
to
money alone will not
fill
as much as
complete
possible
that
I have performed my
to
duty as a son.
perform our
Not
duties
at all. As
Of course we
son
are all
or
away from
daughter.
our parents. It
And
is
then
very
we have to
difficult to be
ask,
with them, but still we can
this is very
try
difficult
to
to ask others.
fill
Maybe
as much
my
as
brother,
possible
my sister,
to
or my relatives
perform our duties.
and
as
in
in
the
the
office
office
we
we
don't
don't
need to do. They do the
and then we
performance
have to
assessment
ask,
every year.
this is very
Whether I'm
difficult to
performing
ask
my
others.
duty or not. Maybe
I'm sure
my
unless
brother,
we
my
pass
sister,
there, we
or
might
my
not be
relatives,
continuing our
and
job in the same company for
in
more
the
than
office
2 years.
we don't need to do.
So
They do the
maybe
performance
yes,
assessment every year.
we are performing
Whether
our
I'm performing
duties
my duty
very
or
well
not.
above
I'm sure
our
unless
age
we
in
pass
our
there,
offices.
we might not be continuing
But
our job
if they
in the
want
same
to reduce the
company for more than
manpower by
2 years.
80%,
and
so
they have to
maybe
sack
yes, two guys
we are
from the
performing
list of
our
employees.
duties very well
Am I in the
above
top
our
one
age
or am I in the
in
last
our
one?
offices.
That also shows me.
But
How
if they
good
want
I am
to reduce the
performing my
manpower
duty in the
by
office
80%
as well.
and they have
So
to
we
sack
have to introspect
two
ourselves
guys, whether
from
I
the list of
do my
employees.
duty
Am I in the
correctly
top
or
one or
wrongly.
am I in the
think,
last
one
one?
of the
That also
scholar,
shows me
maybe
how
Stephen
good I am
Covey,
performing
who
in my
wrote,
duty
Seven
in the
Successful
office as well. So we have to
7
introspect
habits
ourselves
of whether
successful
I
people. I
do
think
my
he is the
duty
one. I don't remember
correctly
it.
or
I read
wrongly.
it maybe
I think
15,
one of
18
the
years back.
scholar,
He says
maybe
he
Stephen
gives
Covey,
a
who
beautiful
wrote,
technique
Seven
of
Successful,
introspection. He says that
7 habits
you
of
take a
successful
quiet
people.
place
I think he is
there,
the one. I
where
don't
there is
remember
no
it. I read it
disturbance
maybe 15,
and
18 years back.
think. He
You are
says
dead.
he gives a beautiful,
For example,
technique
I
of
am dead now,
introspection.
and then
He says
all
that
people are around me
you
now. Have
take
come
a
to my
quiet
house
place
for the cremation process.
where there is no
Just
disturbance.
imagine
And
what each one
think
will be thinking
you
in
are
their
dead.
mind. First of all, for
wife,
example, I am dead now.
she will be happy
And then
that
all
I
people
am
are
out.
around me now. Have
My
come
God,
to my
this fellow
house
was
for the
torturing me
cremation
left
process.
and right.
Now I am
Just
relieved.
imagine
Then
what
I am
each one will
totally
be thinking
out
in
of
their
my
mind.
duty to
First of all,
them.
wife,
And what
she
kids
will be
they
happy
feel.
that
I know
I'm
one of
out.
not one
My
actually.
God,
Couple
this
of my
fellow was
friends place
torturing me
here.
left and right.
Now I am bit
And
relieved. Then I am
means
totally
when we were
out
at
of
home,
my duty to
for
them.
example, at
And what
2 o'clock,
kids
we
they
were
feel.
at home.
I know one of
And
not one actually. Couple of
guy
my friends place
means
here.
the father.
He
And
went for a job and he returned at
means
3
when
o'clock.
we
For
were at
home, the moment the
For example,
father
at,
returns to the
2
home,
o'clock,
I
we were at
heard
home,
their two
and
kids were talking to me saying that,
guy,
uncle,
means
terrorist is
the-
coming.
so let
The
me
father,
go to my room and
he
take
went
some
for a
book.
job and he returned at
Now,
3 o'clock.
for the
example.
kids, the father is
The
a
moment
terrorist.
the father
Because
returns
he
to
is
the
always,
home, I heard
dictating,
their two
commanding
kids were
and
talking to me
advising
saying
and
that, uncle, terrorist
discipline.
is coming.
Yeah,
So let me
discipline
go to
is
my
good,
room and
no
take
doubt
some
in
book.
that.
But it should not
Now, for the kids,
be
the
like
father
a
is a terrorist
to their
because
kids.
he is
So
always,
what, our kids will
dictating,
think
commanding
when I
and
am
advising and
what my father will
discipline.
tell. and what
discipline
my
is good, no doubt in
relatives
that.
will
But
tell, my
it should not,
siblings will tell,
and what
be like
the people
encouraged to their
living in
kids.
that
So what
same
our
place,
kids
city
will
or
think
village,
when I
or
am
at least
dead,
the people in
and
that
what
building,
my father will tell,
what they will
and
talk
what
about
my
me when I am dead.
relatives will tell,
Just
my
imagine,
siblings will
then
tell,
you will
and
know
what the
how
people
good I
living
did
in
my
that
duty to
same
the place.
city
If
or
I have
village,
not done
or at
anything
least
to
the
the
people
building
in
where
that
I
building,
live, what
even
they
I
will
don't
talk
know
about
those
me
people
when I am
then
dead.
really the
Just
society
imagine,
society
then
is
you will
nothing
know
but where I live, the
how
place
good
where I
I
live,
did my
starting from
duty
the
to them.
building to
If I
the
have not done
village or
anything
city
to the
or the
building where I
company,
live,
all
even I
so
don't
I
know
have to
those
perform
people,
some
then
duty to
really
the
the
society as
society,
well,
right?
society is
So
nothing but
if
where I
those
live,
guys are, oh
the
God,
place where
we
I
really
live,
lost a
starting
good
from the
neighbor,
building
good
to
friend, and
the
they are
village
always
or
helpful
city
and they
or
are
the
always,
company,
they don't
all
disturb others. So I
something
have
like
to
that. If
perform
they
some
think in
duty
their
to the
mind,
society as
really
well,
we
right?
have done our
So
duty
if
very
those
well
guys
to
are,
that
oh God, we really lost
society.
a good neighbor,
So,
good
and then the
friend,
entire world,
and
will
they
they
are
bother
always
about my
helpful
loss,
and
or
they are
they will be
always
happy
going to
about my
disturb
loss?
others?
Something like that.
Society
If
in
they
the
think in
sense,
their mind,
at least
really we have done
1,000
our
people.
duty very well to
If
the
our life can impact,
society.
we have
So,
done some
and
duty
then the
to
entire
the
world,
world
will
as
they
well.
bother about
Abdul
my
Kalam
loss,
have
or they
said,
will be happy about
our
my
birth
loss?
could be
A society in the
due to
sense,
an
at
accident,
least
but our
1,000
death
people.
should be a history.
If our
not an
life can
accident.
impact, that
We have
means
done some
birth,
duty to the
it's an
world as
accident.
well.
Abdul
Nobody
Kalam
will know.
have said, it means
Our
it's fine.
birth could be, but death
Due
should
to
be a
an
history means
accident,
at least the
but our
society will
death
remember
should be a
our
history,
contribution,
not an
our
accident.
life, or
That means
something.
birth.
So
It's an
that
accident.
much
Nobody
life,
will know.
that much
It
duty
means
we have to
it's
perform
fine to the world.
But death
So,
should be a history means at
the
least
most important
the society
is,
will
as
remember
per the
our
poem,
those who
contribution, our
understand
life,
God,
or they
something.
will live with the duty.
So
from
that
morning to
much
night,
life,
what
that
is
much
my
duty we
What
have
is
to
my
perform
duty?
to
Am
the
I doing my
world.
duty or not?
So that's all.
The
So
most
as simple
important
as that,
is,
and if we
as
can
per the
introspect
poem,
ourselves,
those
and
who
then we will
understand
know
God,
where I
they
need
will
to
live
improve
with
it,
the
and
duties.
where I
From
have
morning to
shortfall, or
night,
where I need to
what is
change,
my
and
duty?
things
What
like
is
that.
my duty? Am I
And to
doing
whom
my
I have
duty
to
or
focus
not?
more,
That's
to
all.
fulfill
So,
that
as simple as that,
performance
and if
of
we can
that
introspect
duty.
ourselves, and then
And
we
the
will
second
know
most
where
important
I need
point
to
about
improve it
duty is
and
how
where I
to
have
do the
shortfall, or
duties.
where I need to
We all
change,
know
and
we have
things
to
like that.
perform duty to
And to
myself,
whom
to
I
the
have to
family,
focus
to the
more
relatives
to
and friends,
fulfill
and
that
then society, and to
performance
the
of
world.
that
Yes,
duty.
5 duties,
And the
and that
second
also,
most
as he
important
says,
point about
as
duty is
Maharishi
how
says,
to
we have
do
to
the
perform the
duties.
duties
We
without
all know we
conflicting
have
the
to
interest
perform
of
duty to
anything,
myself,
to
to
the
I
family, to
can't
the relatives
do
and friends, and
duty
then
to the
society, and to the
society
world.
without doing
Yes,
my
5
duty
duties,
to
and that
my
also, as he
family or
says, as
myself.
Maharishi says,
So, if
we
I
have to
don't sleep
perform
well
the
and I
duties
do
without
service to the
conflicting the
center,
interest
Sky
of
Center,
anything.
I am
Means
earning sin
I
only.
can't
I'm not
do
performing
duty
the
to the
duties in the right
society
order.
without doing
So,
my duty
that is
to
fine.
my
Now, the
family
second
or
is
myself.
how to do my
So
duty.
if I don't sleep well and I do
Oh my
service to
God,
the
this
center,
fellow,
Sky
whenever he
Center,
comes
I am
from the
earning sin
office,
only. Coffee
I'm
should be
not
ready.
performing the
How
duties in
many
the right
times I have
order.
been telling him coffee
So,
is very bad.
that is fine.
Take
Now, the
at least
second
a
is
green
how
tea.
to do
This fellow
my
never
duty.
listens to me. When he listened to me,
Oh
now
my
with
God,
all
this
that
fellow, whenever
grumbling,
he
if I
comes
perform,
from the
if I make
office,
coffee
should be ready.
then I am not doing
How
duty.
many times I have
in
been
the right
telling him
way.
coffee is
How
very
to
bad.
do duty? Take at
Maharishi
least a
has
green
given
tea.
Karma
This
Yoga.
fellow never
In
listens.
Karma
When
Yoga,
he
he
listened to me,
beautifully
now with
explains
all
whatever I
that
do,
grumbling,
even
if I perform, if I
brush
make
my
coffee,
teeth, or I make a coffee
then I
for
am
my
not
wife,
doing duty
whatever
right
it is,
in the right
there
way.
is a way
How
to
to do
perform
duty
that is
more
Maharishi has
important
given
than
Karma
what
Yoga.
I do in my duty.
In Karma Yoga, he beautifully
Because
explains
how
whatever I do,
perform,
even if I take a
whether
bath, I brush my teeth,
that
or I make a
feelings,
coffee for my wife,
whether
whatever
I
it
earn
is,
sin or
there
I
is a
earn
way how to
putti,
perform
punyam,
duty that is more
and
important
whether I
than what I do
improve,
in
I
my duty.
progress in my life or not,
Because
that depends
how
on
I
the feelings,
perform, the thoughts what
whether
I have when I
that
make
feelings,
when I do my
whether
duty.
I earn
So
sin
Maharishi
or
says
I
two
earn
things when I
putti,
perform my
punyam,
duty. One is
and whether I
gratitude
improve,
due
I
to the
progress
society.
in
I
my
am
life or
paying
not,
loan. That depends on
I
the
am
feelings,
repaying my
the
loan to
thoughts
the
what I
society,
have
so
when
I
I
should
make
have gratitude.
when I do my
And
duty.
with
So Maharishi
that
says two things
gratitude,
when I
the
perform
second
my duty.
important
One
aspect
is
of Karma
gratitude.
Yoga
is
due to
if
the
I
society.
do this,
I am
what will
paying
happen?
loan.
What
I am
is the
pay-
result of
I am
it?
repaying
So
my loan
knowing
to
the
the society, so I
consequence
should
of
have
my
gratitude.
action, I perform my
And
duty.
if with that
Okay, now I'm making a
gratitude,
coffee.
the second
What is the
important
consequence?
aspect of
He is
Karma Yoga
tired, I
is,
should give him
if
a
I
coffee
do
and he
this,
should
what will happen?
feel happy.
What
And
is the result of
now
it?
little bit
So
relieved from the
knowing the
tension what he had.
consequence of my action,
I
though
perform
it
my
is
duty.
bad for his health,
Okay,
but at
now
least
I'm
it's a
making a
temporary
coffee.
relief, and
What is
slowly
the
we will
consequence?
make him
He is tired, I should give
understand.
him a coffee
So
and he
now,
should feel
with the
happy.
gratitude,
And
oh God,
now
you
little
have
bit
given
relieved
me
from the
the
tension what he
opportunity
had.
to
make this coffee to
though it
serve
is bad
my
for his
husband.
health, but at least
And
it's
I
a
have
temporary
enough
relief and slowly
knowledge
we
to
will
make
making
it,
coffee. I have enough
understand.
things to
So
make
now,
a coffee. I have
with
my
the
hand
gratitude,
working
oh
for
God,
my coffee.
you have given
With
me
all
the
that
opportunity
gratitude
to
and
make
to
this
the
coffee
divinity,
to
to the
serve my
husband, to the
husband.
people around us,
And
to
I
the
have
society,
enough knowledge
with
to make
that
a coffee. I
gratitude,
have
if I
enough
perform my
things
duty,
to make a
I
coffee.
have my
Karma
hand
yogi.
working for my
That
coffee.
means
With
that
all that
action
gratitude
will
and
not
to the divinity,
generate
to the
any sin
husband,
for
to
me.
the people around us, to the
Even
society,
if it is a
with that
painful
gratitude,
thing,
if I
what
perform my
Maharishi
duty,
says, I am
only
a
if I
karma
have an
yogi.
attachment,
That
only
means
if I have a
that
personal
action
benefit out of
will
that action,
not
then it is
generate
Kamya karma.
any sin for me.
Nishkamya karma means
Even
any
if
duty
it
I
is
do,
a
any
painful
action
thing,
I do,
what
if I
Maharishi
don't
says,
attach myself,
only
if
if
I
that
have an
action,
attachment, only
that
if I have
I
a
am doing
personal
it
benefit
and I
out of
expect
that
this
action,
result,
then it is
finished.
Kamya
It
karma.
is called Kamya karma.
Nishkamya
Then
karma
karma
means
is attached to my
any
genetic
duty I
setup.
do, any
Then
action I do, if I don't
if
attach
it is a
myself
negative
to
karma,
that
I will get
action,
pain.
that if it
I
is a
am doing
positive
it
karma,
and I
will
expect
get
this result.
happiness.
Finished.
So
It is called
I
Kamya
have
karma.
to
Then
perform
karma
my
is attached to
duty
my genetic center.
with
Then
feeling
then
of gratitude. If it is a
and
negative
knowing
karma,
the
I will get
consequence.
pain. That is
If it
awareness
is a positive
state.
karma, I
And
will get
Maharishi has written in another
happiness.
poem,
So
how
I
to
have
perform
this
my
duty.
duty.
He says,
With
in Tamil it
feeling
says,
of gratitude,
உணர்ச்சிகளை
and
கூர்ந்து
knowing the
உணர்ந்து
consequence, that is
ஒத்து
awareness
உதவி,
state.
something like this.
And
What he
Maharishi
says,
has
there are
written
4
in another
aspects.
poem,
You have
how
to feel
to
the
perform
others'
this
feelings.
duty.
He says,
What they
in
feel.
Tamil it says, number 1,
Two,
உணர்ச்சிகளை
it is not
கூர்ந்து
understanding
உணர்ந்து
their feeling. You have to
ஒத்து உதவி,
understand in
something
depth.
like this. What he
கூர்ந்து,
says, there are 4 aspects.
with a sharp
You have
mind,
to
I
feel
have to
the
understand
others'
what they
feelings.
feel, because some people may see
What they feel.
congratulations, wow, you
Number
got
1.
you are
Two,
promoted.
It
But
is
inside
not
his mind, this
understanding
fellow
their
joined
feeling.
after 2
You have
years,
to
this fellow
understand
got
in
promotion.
depth. Maybe he is
கூர்ந்து,
thinking like that.
but
With
he
the
is sharp
mind,
congratulating.
I have to understand
So
what they
unless
feel.
I
Because some people may
understand,
see,
unless I go in
congratulations,
depth
wow,
to
you
understand the
you are
feeling, I
promoted.
will not
But
know what
inside
outside
his mind,
he is
this
showing,
fellow
or he
joined
is
after
talking,
2
or
years,
he
this
this fellow got promotion.
telling. Maybe he is
So
thinking like that.
understand
But
the
he is
feeling of others.
congratulating.
So
Second is
unless
in-depth
I
understanding.
understand,
And the third
unless
is
I go in
accepting
depth
it,
to
agreeing
understand
it.
the feeling,
No
I will not
conflict
know
on
what
it.
outside he is
And
showing,
the
or
fourth
he is
one is
talking, or
helping,
he
if
is
at all possible. Telling.
These
So
4 things
understand
in
the
every
feeling of
duty it has
others.
to be there.
Second is
Before I
in-depth
do
understanding.
perform my duty,
And the
before
third
I
is
make
accepting
coffee,
it. I have to
agreeing
understand
it,
what he
no
wants.
conflict on it.
What is his
And
feeling?
the fourth one is
He is
helping,
really
if at all
tired.
possible.
Oh my God!
These
Now
4
I
things
understand what
in
he
every
feels.
duty it has
Now
to be
I
there.
have to accept.
Before
Yeah,
I
he
do
is what he
perform
is
my
wanting
duty,
coffee.
before
Now.
I
No
make problem, coffee
I
is
have
bad.
to understand
But
what
he wants coffee
wants.
now.
What is his
Okay,
feeling?
now
He is
if at
really
all
tired.
possible, I
Oh
help.
my God!
That's all.
Now I
So
understand what he feels.
most of the
Now
time,
I have to
we
accept.
feel, yeah,
We
he is
don't.
what
We
he is
feel
wanting
happy
coffee now.
if
No
others
problem, coffee is
do
bad.
as
But
I
he
wish.
wants coffee now.
But they
Okay,
do as
now
per God's
if at
wish.
all
As
possible, I
per
help.
my karma.
That's all.
Not
So
as I wish.
most of
So
the time
we have to perform
feel,
our duty.
we don't we feel
What
happy
is right
if
I have
others
to do.
what
Do
I
as
like
I
is
wish.
less important than
But they
what
do
is
as
right
per
God's
to do.
wish. As
So
per
that
my
is
karma,
more
not
important
as
to
I
perform
wish.
my our
So
duties.
we have to perform our
So
duty.
what
What
is
is right,
so
I have to do. What I like
I
is
think
less important than
as per
what is
Maharishi's
right
poem,
to do.
he
So that is
emphasized
more important to perform
our
importance
duties.
of understanding about others when we do our duty. So
I think as per Maharishi's poem,
why duty
he
is important?
emphasized
Those who understand God will live with duties. Number one,
importance of
and we have to introspect ourselves as a husband, as a wife, as a father, as a mother, as a son, as a brother, as a
why
engineer
duty is
in
important?
office.
Those
As
who
a
understand
colleague
God
to
will
my
live
friend,
with duties.
how I
Number one.
perform my duty,
And
we have to
continuously
introspect ourselves
assess
as a husband, as a
and
wife, as a
find out
father,
the
as a
area
mother, as
where
a
I
son,
can
as a
improve
brother,
to perform
as
my
a
duties
engineer
100%.
in office,
And then
as
how
a
to
colleague
do
to
duties,
my
that is
friend,
by
how I
perform
with
my
the
duty,
feelings
we
of
have to gratitude
continuously
and awareness,
assess
state of
ourselves
awareness,
and
so that
find
I know
out
the
the area
consequence of
where
what
I
I
can
do.
improve to perform my duties
In addition to
100%.
whatever,
And then
Kumaresan sir
how
has
to do
explained,
duties,
that is by
that
with the
duties
feelings
are
of
important,
gratitude
and
and
duty to
awareness,
self is
state of
most
awareness,
important,
so that
and then
I know
duty
the
to
consequence
family.
of what I do.
And the biggest loan,
In
duty
addition
is
to
due to the
whatever
society. The
Kumaresan sir
biggest
has
loan
explained,
I have to repay
that
is to
5 duties
the first
are
one is to my
important,
mother, and
the second to
myself
self
is
is
most important,
and then to
and
the
then
master,
duty to family,
and then one to
and
the
the
society,
biggest to
and
loan.
then to the
Duty is
government,
due to
and
the
then to
society.
the
The
divinity.
biggest
See, the
loan
divinity
I
is
have
in
to
the fifth
repay
position.
is to
The first
we,
one is to my mother,
whatever
the second one
importance
is
we
to
give
father,
to pray,
and then to the master,
And
if I give less importance and less significance to my parents,
and then
I
the
fail
divinity in that
See, the
order.
divinity
In that
is in the
order,
fifth position.
because without parents, I am not.
Whatever
What I am
importance
today.
we give
So
to
the
pray,
biggest loan I have to repay is my
if
mother
I give
and
less
father.
importance
And
and
then
less
all
significance
the
to
rest
my
following
parents,
there.
so
then I fail
the
in that order.
repaying
In that
duty
order,
is very
because
important.
without parents, I am not.
We have
What
to
I am
perform
today.
in that
So
order.
the biggest loan I have
So
to
with this,
repay
I
is my
conclude,
mother and father.
my
And
part
then
as
all
well
the rest
regarding
following
this
there.
wonderful
So
topic,
the
duties.
repaying duty is very
And I will leave
important.
it to the floor now. If any
We have
questions,
to perform in that order.
we can go through that.
So with this, I
Thank you.
conclude.